The Optimus robots exhibit a range of capabilities, including the ability to carry packages and water plants. These functions effectively underscore their utility in various daily tasks, thus significantly enhancing their role in assisting human activities. In line with these advancements, Elon Musk has made a bold assertion that Optimus could potentially evolve into the most significant product to date. He envisions a future characterized by mass production, with an estimated pricing range of $20,000 to $30,000, which could render these robots more accessible to a broader demographic. Moreover, the event featured interactive demonstrations where the robots actively engaged with attendees, thereby illustrating their potential not only for practical applications but also for entertainment and social interaction. This multifaceted appeal enriches their overall utility, broadening the scope of their application beyond mere functionality. The video highlights that Optimus learns from its experiences, enhancing its movements and responses through real-time data analysis.
This transformation signifies a pivotal advancement in robotics.
The robot showcases remarkable balance and reflexes, instinctively adjusting its weight to execute complex movements. This reflects significant improvements in its design and control systems. Elon Musk confirmed that the robot operates entirely on AI, a notable shift from earlier demonstrations that involved human control. This clarification bolsters the credibility of Tesla's technological advancements. Martial arts training serves as a vital testing ground for attributes like agility and balance, essential for real-world functionality. This training extends beyond basic tasks such as walking or manipulating objects. Reinforcement learning enables the robot to learn from its mistakes, enhancing its movement efficiency over time. Such advancements could shorten Tesla's training cycle from 6 months to merely 6 weeks. The neural motion network facilitates real-time movement analysis and adjustments, allowing the robot to learn from actual experiences. This capability significantly boosts its adaptability and intelligence. The training process includes uploading error data to the Dojo supercomputer for comprehensive model retraining, benefiting all robots in the network. This approach ensures a collective learning experience across thousands of units. Optimus's capacity for learning through physical experiences, such as maintaining balance during combat, signifies a shift toward embodied intelligence, an ability that simulations cannot replicate. Tesla's dual neural safety net empowers Optimus to learn safely in real-world environments, transforming physical experiments into controlled processes, which is essential for effective training in various industrial settings. Designed to supplant human labor, Optimus robots present cost-effective solutions for companies, promising a rapid return on investment. This innovation has the potential to reshape labor dynamics across multiple sectors. Elon Musk envisions a future where each robot acts as a digital worker, generating income for its owners and fostering a new rental economy. This model could fundamentally alter how businesses engage robotic labor. Despite production hurdles, Musk remains steadfast in his belief that humanoid robots could account for a significant portion of Tesla's future value. This ambition underscores a broader goal of attaining a fully automated society. China is swiftly establishing itself as a frontrunner in humanoid robotics, with companies like Unitree and Fourier Intelligence launching consumer-ready models. This competitive landscape presents challenges for Tesla. Despite facing setbacks, Musk's ambitious vision for Optimus as a platform performing human-like tasks endures. This strategic communication aims to redirect attention from current challenges to future possibilities. Mechanical failures in Optimus's design, particularly concerning its arms and hands, have stalled production. These challenges highlight the crucial importance of precision and durability in humanoid robots for optimal performance. Elon Musk advocates that fear of failure should not stifle innovation, promoting continuous improvement through a cycle of building, testing, and refining their technology. The intricacy of mimicking human-like movements in robots poses a significant challenge for Tesla, particularly regarding the tactile feedback required for delicate tasks, a capability conventional industrial robots lack. Tesla's bold aspirations for mass-producing Optimus face skepticism, largely due to the prevalent challenges in robotics, such as achieving fine motor skills and establishing cost-effective manufacturing processes. Tesla Bot Gen 3 serves as a practical tool for daily life, focusing on tasks such as cleaning and home security. This functionality starkly contrasts with flashy humanoid robots designed primarily for display. In contrast to many existing humanoid robots, Tesla Bot Gen 3 boasts advanced spatial awareness and adaptability, enabling effective navigation and cleaning across various home environments. The hands of the Tesla bot exhibit precision with 22 degrees of freedom, allowing it to execute complex tasks, such as folding cloths and handling fragile items with exceptional care. Optimus leverages AI to monitor homes, discerning behavior patterns that help differentiate between normal and abnormal activities, highlighting its advanced observational capabilities. Elon Musk envisions that Optimus's functionalities could transform crime monitoring, presenting a future where offenders are overseen without the need for imprisonment. The cooking capabilities of Optimus embody a significant challenge for humanoid robots, as successful meal preparation demands real-time adjustments and refined motor skills. Optimus can tackle intricate kitchen tasks, such as preparing breakfast, which necessitate advanced coordination and adaptability, distinguishing it from conventional industrial robots. The financial potential of Optimus is notable, with abilities to generate income by undertaking a variety of jobs, potentially leading to a novel economy powered by humanoid robots. Although the emergence of humanoid robots like Optimus may displace certain jobs, it will simultaneously create new roles in robot training and maintenance, symbolizing a shift towards human-robot collaboration. The design of the new Tesla Semi emphasizes aerodynamics and weight reduction, significantly enhancing energy efficiency and driving range, offering a competitive advantage in the freight sector. While LFP batteries were chosen for their cost-effectiveness and safety, their lower energy density posed challenges for long-haul performance. The transition to higher-density batteries effectively addresses these limitations. Transitioning to 4680 batteries will improve energy density, reducing the number of cells required and consequently lowering the truck's weight, which is essential for maintaining performance and efficiency. Tesla's new ultra-fast charging system reduces charging time from 40 minutes to just 30 minutes, minimizing delivery downtime and maximizing operational efficiency for fleet operators. A comprehensive design overhaul focuses on optimizing aerodynamics, reducing the drag coefficient from 0.36 to 0.33, substantially improving energy efficiency and extending driving range. The use of lightweight materials in the 2026 Semi enhances payload capacity and range, ensuring that performance remains unaffected during heavy-duty operations. The introduction of advanced sensors and cameras on the Tesla Semi elevates its capability to navigate complex driving conditions, enhancing safety and overall driving efficiency. Tesla's ambitious goal of producing 50,000 semis by 2026 marks a significant shift towards sustainable freight transport, potentially transforming logistics operations substantially. The establishment of Giga Semi enables high-volume production while integrating advanced technologies, aiming to drastically decrease assembly times and production costs. The production speed of 4.5 seconds allows multiple Tesla vehicles to be built while you wait for coffee, exemplifying extraordinary efficiency and showcasing Tesla's innovative manufacturing approach. Tesla's 5 factories worldwide, including gigafactories in Berlin and Shanghai, play essential roles in producing various models efficiently, utilizing advanced robotics and automation to maximize productivity. The Gigapress revolutionizes automotive manufacturing by enabling large sections of vehicles to be cast in a single piece, significantly simplifying production complexity. The Gigapress can cast 5 chassis units in one cycle, replacing over 400 welds and streamlining the assembly line, enhancing manufacturing efficiency while reducing operational costs. Reducing weight through large aluminum castings enhances vehicle performance, driving range, and feel. This is particularly crucial for electric vehicles, where every pound has significant implications. The production process is highly automated, featuring robotic arms that execute tasks with precision, which accelerates assembly while minimizing errors. This efficiency is vital for achieving Tesla's goal of one vehicle every 33 seconds. Innovative techniques in the assembly process include bolting seats directly to the structural battery, enhancing strength and safety, and ensuring a stable vehicle structure. The upcoming Model 2 is designed as a compact urban hatchback with a streamlined feature set, targeting everyday driving needs while aiming to reduce production costs. Tesla Bot exhibits a broad range of capabilities, encompassing tasks such as cooking, cleaning, and even managing waste disposal, thereby establishing itself as a versatile household assistant. This functionality positions the bot as a substantial enhancement to daily life. Musk's confidence in the Tesla Bot is rooted in the company's technological advantages over competitors, including the Xpeng Iron Robot, which does not offer the same comprehensive household functionalities. This competitive distinction may ultimately consolidate Tesla's dominance in the robotics sector. The global emergence of humanoid robots prompts critical discourse regarding potential job displacement, with Musk proposing that the nature of work may transition to a more optional paradigm. Such a transformation could profoundly impact societal structures and economic frameworks. The economic implications of Optimus are noteworthy, as it could potentially offset its acquisition costs within a period of 2 to 3 years, thereby generating income for its owner while simultaneously contributing positively to societal welfare. This aspect accentuates its viable economic advantages. Musk asserts that Tesla's pre-existing technologies, including the components leveraged in their automotive production, sufficiently equip the company to lead the robotics market. This assertion emphasizes Tesla's distinctive advantages in the development of humanoid robots. The design philosophy behind Optimus entails a deliberately non-human-like appearance, aimed at mitigating any discomfort among users. This strategic approach could enhance the robot's acceptability within everyday environments. The engineering framework of Optimus necessitates comprehensive data collection and motion training, aimed at accurately replicating human actions. This process incorporates the use of motion capture technology executed by trained personnel. Optimus operates within a decentralized learning network, facilitating the instantaneous dissemination of newly acquired skills among all robots. This innovative structure ensures that each unit becomes progressively more intelligent with every task it learns. A comparative analysis between Tesla's Optimus and XPeng's Iron Robot underscores notable distinctions in both appearance and functionality. While Iron Robot emphasizes human-like features, Optimus is specifically designed to prioritize effective task execution. Tesla's Optimus is purposefully engineered for industrial applications, placing a premium on safety and efficiency rather than advanced mobility features. This method facilitates predictable interactions with tangible objects in real-world scenarios. The competitive landscape between Tesla and XPeng illustrates contrasting strategic approaches. XPeng concentrates on fostering emotional engagement, while Tesla remains committed to enhancing functionality, particularly within manufacturing environments. Musk identifies three principal challenges inherent in robotics: the engineering of functional limbs, the creation of reliable artificial intelligence, and the logistics of large-scale production. He asserts that Tesla is uniquely positioned to address each of these challenges effectively. The prevailing uncertainty regarding market readiness for humanoid robots underscores the imperative for companies to validate demand across diverse sectors such as shopping malls and hospitals. This factor could have significant implications for future sales trajectories. Tesla's Optimus stands to benefit from its well-established manufacturing infrastructure and its integration with advanced artificial intelligence systems, providing it with a competitive advantage in the burgeoning robotics market. This strategic positioning supports the bot's long-term viability. While XPeng's Iron Robot excels in terms of aesthetic appeal and human-like movement capabilities, demonstrating remarkable technology during public showcases, the practical application of these advancements remains an essential challenge that must be addressed. TeslaBot Gen 3 emphasizes practical household tasks, moving away from flashy performances to assist with cleaning and everyday chores. This shift signifies a notable change in robotic design philosophy. Equipped with advanced sensors and a multi-angle camera system, the TeslaBot navigates and comprehends home environments in real time, significantly enhancing its cleaning efficiency. In contrast to traditional humanoid robots, TeslaBot learns and adapts to a family's cleaning habits over time, ensuring that it executes tasks at optimal times and in ways tailored to each household. Optimus utilizes computer vision and reinforcement learning, allowing it to effectively differentiate between normal behaviors and potential threats. This capability is essential for its role in enhancing home security. The robot's ability to adjust and learn from real-world scenarios distinguishes it from others, which typically rely on basic motion and facial recognition. This learning process empowers Optimus to make independent decisions. Elon Musk envisions a future where Optimus generates income for users by working in diverse roles, free from the constraints faced by human workers. This potential has the capacity to transform the labor market and economy. Small businesses stand to benefit from autonomous robots, which could lower labor costs and increase operational efficiency, enabling them to function with minimal human oversight. This transition could overhaul service industries. The rise of humanoid robots will create new job opportunities in areas such as robot training, maintenance, and human-machine interface design, fostering a new workforce that reflects historical trends in technological advancement. Tesla's goal to implement Optimus in factories aims to demonstrate its economic feasibility, illustrating how robots can boost productivity and profitability for businesses. This initiative underscores the potential of human-robot collaboration. Significant design modifications, including a revamped aerodynamic front and a lighter chassis, enhance the energy efficiency and driving range of the 2026 Tesla Semi. The integration of advanced sensors and cameras in the 2026 Tesla Semi is vital for enabling full self-driving capabilities, addressing driver fatigue and significantly improving safety on the roads. Tesla's new Giga Semi factory aims to produce 50,000 units in 2026, boosting production efficiency and cutting costs while appealing to a wider market. Mass production techniques enable Tesla to streamline manufacturing processes, thereby reducing production costs and enhancing overall productivity, which is essential for maintaining a competitive edge. The anticipated launch of the Tesla Model 2, expected to be affordable and manufactured in high volumes, strategically positions Tesla to capture a larger market share, appealing particularly to budget-conscious consumers. Tesla's innovative approach, utilizing automated factories and advanced manufacturing technologies like the Gigapress, allows for rapid vehicle production, significantly cutting assembly time compared to traditional methods. The Gigapress leads to substantial reductions in labor and maintenance costs by minimizing the need for numerous robots and manufacturing steps, greatly enhancing production efficiency. Utilizing large aluminum castings results in a lighter vehicle, which positively impacts performance and extends the range of electric cars. Additionally, the reduction of joints improves structural integrity. The final assembly process at Giga Texas is highly automated, ensuring precision and speed. The factory aims to produce a vehicle every 4.5 seconds, showcasing remarkable manufacturing capabilities. While the Model 2 will forego some luxury features found in other Tesla models, which may disappoint some traditional buyers, it will still embody Tesla's hallmark technological innovations. Despite its lower price point, the Model 2 is projected to achieve an impressive driving range of approximately 300 miles, thanks to its lightweight design and efficient battery technology. Tesla's move into the affordable EV market signifies a strategic shift from exclusively targeting high-margin segments. This decision effectively positions Tesla to compete against an expanding array of competitors, notably from Chinese manufacturers. Targets set for the Optimus Gen 4 and Gen 5 series are notably ambitious, encompassing millions of units. This large-scale production not only signifies a robust confidence in the market potential of these humanoid robots, but also illustrates Tesla's strategic commitment to innovation in robotics. In particular, the Optimus Gen 5 is poised to revolutionize healthcare by potentially performing surgeries with high precision. This significant advancement holds the promise of providing widespread access to skilled surgical procedures, thereby transforming patient care. Elon Musk has articulated a strong belief in Optimus's ability to surpass traditional Tesla car sales. He envisions the humanoid robots will fundamentally reshape daily life and alter consumer expectations, reflecting a shift towards automation in everyday tasks. Musk further anticipates the debut of the Optimus 3 in early next year, showcasing significant advancements compared to its predecessors. The design philosophy aims to conceal mechanical components, enhancing its human-like appearance and usability. However, one of the primary challenges in the development of Optimus 3 lies in engineering a robotic hand that accurately mimics human dexterity. Musk has emphasized that the complexity associated with replicating human-like hands constitutes a substantial portion of the overall engineering effort. Ambitious production targets have been established for the Optimus robot, with a projection of 1 million units per year. This objective underscores Tesla's unwavering commitment to revolutionizing the field of robotics through mass production and cutting-edge technology. Moreover, the necessity for absolute safety in humanoid robots cannot be overstated, as any software vulnerabilities could potentially result in grave consequences for human safety. Musk consistently emphasizes this critical concern, highlighting the importance of safe operational practices. In response to these safety concerns, Tesla is developing a multi-layered security ecosystem for the Optimus robot. This ecosystem incorporates data encryption and advanced AI firewalls to prevent unauthorized access, thereby safeguarding human interactions with the robot. Furthermore, Musk's vision for Optimus extends to practical applications in household chores, a fundamental step toward securing public acceptance of humanoid robots. Demonstrating the utility of these robots in daily life emerges as a key factor in their societal integration. Optimus showcases an impressive 22 degrees of freedom in its hand movements, enabling it to perform a range of tasks with remarkable finesse, from flipping pancakes to threading a needle. This versatility illustrates its adaptability within various contexts. Diverging from conventional robots, Optimus learns autonomously by observing and practicing tasks, simulating them in a virtual environment to enhance its performance continuously. This self-learning capability marks a significant advancement in robotic technology. The robot's advanced perception systems empower it to comprehend not only voice commands but also nonverbal cues, facilitating interactions that feel more intuitive and human-like. This capability enhances user experience and reinforces user trust. Optimus employs onboard cameras and sensors to construct a three-dimensional layout of its environment, promoting seamless movement without collisions. This functionality significantly enhances its operational effectiveness in diverse